today we're diving into Flux AI, a tool that claims to be a game changer for generating images using artificial intelligence. But does it live up to the hype, or is it just another overhyped application? Let's find out. Flux AI is designed to create stunning images from simple text prompts, catering to a wide range of users, from graphic designers to content creators. The interface is sleek and user-friendly, making it relatively easy for beginners to jump right in. You simply input your idea, and Flux AI generates visuals based on your description. What really stands out is the speed of image generation. You can get results in seconds, which is impressive. However, I noticed that while the quality can be quite high, it can also be hit or miss depending on the complexity of your prompt. Sometimes the AI struggles to capture more nuanced details, which can be frustrating. The intended audience seems to be those who need quick visuals without deep technical skills, but I wonder if more advanced users might find the limitations a bit constraining. Overall, the user experience is smooth, but there are definitely areas where clarity and detail could improve. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Flux AI is incredibly fast and easy to use, making it accessible for anyone looking to generate images quickly. The variety of styles it offers is also a nice touch, catering to different aesthetic preferences. However, there are some drawbacks. The image quality can vary, especially with complex prompts, which could leave users frustrated. Additionally, there's a lack of transparency regarding how the AI processes prompts, making it hard to trust the results fully. Pricing is another concern. While it may seem affordable at first, costs can add up if you're generating a lot of images. This may not suit casual users. Overall, those looking for quick and easy image generation might find it beneficial, but more serious creators may want to explore alternatives. In conclusion, Flux AI offers a quick and user-friendly way to generate images, ideal for casual users and those in need of fast visuals. However, its limitations in quality and transparency may deter professional users. If you're looking for a straightforward tool, it's worth a try, but keep your expectations in check.